GarageBand is still one of my favourite ways to make music, but there are still times where you wish it had a little bit more, you know? Maybe you've looked at something like Logic Pro because you want things like stem separation, better synths, or a built-in mastering option, but spending another couple of $100 or pounds just isn't on the cards. Well, if you already have a LANDR Studio subscription, you already have access to a lot of those features. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate some of Logic Pro's biggest tools using the plugins included with LANDR Studio, all without leaving GarageBand. One of the biggest things that GarageBand users miss out on compared to Logic Pro users is Alchemy. Now, GarageBand does have a very stripped down version of Alchemy built in, but it's not that great, to be honest. Alchemy is one of Apple's most powerful software synths. It's packed with thousands of sounds and a huge amount of sound design flexibility. LANDR Synth X gives GarageBand users access to a much deeper synth than the built-in stock options. You've got a wide range of presets covering everything from huge pads and basses to leads, keys and textures, making it easy to find a sound that fits your track. Of course, if you want to get your hands dirty, you can tweak and shape those sounds to make them your own. So while it isn't Alchemy itself, LANDR Synth X gives GarageBand users access to a much broader palette of sounds than they'd otherwise have. One of Logic's most well-known newer features is its stem splitter. It lets you take a finished song and separate it into individual parts like vocals, drums and bass. LANDR Stems also does exactly that, and in my experience it does a really impressive job. It's also really easy to use. Just drag and drop a finished stereo track into the plugin. LANDR uses Audio Shake's AI technology, yes, that Audio Shake, to analyze the audio and automatically separate it into stems, vocals, drums, and everything else. Once that's finished, you can preview each stem individually using the solo button.
Fresh squeeze, tangerine dreams, I'm sliding. Stocks up, dashboard digital, I'm gliding. Stretch, I be counting blessings, $250,000 on the dresser.
Or mute individual parts from the full mix. So if you want an instrumental version, for example, simply mute the vocals. Or if you're planning to replace the drums, mute those instead.
Got the savings and the flavor. I turn my life into a
When you're happy, you can simply drag your stems from the plugin into GarageBand's window.
Quinoa, keep it authentic, everything you see raw. In the morning with the stretch, I be counting blessings. $250,000 on the dresser, no more stressing.
You can even do this with every separated stem at the same time, if you like.
A little bit of class, they worry about clout while I was stacking the funds. Bought land out in Napa just to grow me some plums.
It's incredibly useful for creating remixes, practicing mixes, building mashups, or even recovering elements from older projects where you've lost the original session.
Organic plates, salmon over.
Once you've finished your mix, it's time to master it, and Logic has a built-in mastering assistant. GarageBand doesn't. And that's where LANDR mastering comes in. Simply insert the plugin onto your master output and play the loudest section of your song. plugin analyzes your mix in real time and generates a master that's tailored specifically to your track. You can then choose between 3 mastering styles. Warm gives you a vintage flavour with smooth highs. Balanced is exactly what it sounds like, clear and controlled. And open is a more modern, punchy sound. One feature I really like is gain match. Rather than being tricked into thinking something sounds better simply because it's louder, gain match lets you compare your original and mastered versions at the same volume. And if you want even more control, there are plenty of advanced options too. You can adjust the EQ, stereo width, vocal presence, de-esser, compression, saturation, and overall loudness. That means that you can let the plugin do the heavy lifting, then fine-tune the result to suit your own tastes. And once you're happy, just simply export your final master. Even if you own Logic Pro, there's one thing it can't do: release your music. Once you've finished writing, mixing, and mastering your song, you'll still need a music distributor to get it onto platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music, etc. LANDR Studio includes music distribution as part of its ecosystem. So you can go from writing your track in GarageBand to mastering it to releasing it worldwide, all from the same subscription. I've already made a dedicated video looking at LANDR distribution in more detail, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, I'll leave a link to that video down below. So, can LANDR literally turn GarageBand into Logic Pro? Well, no. But if you're happy using GarageBand and simply wish it had a few more professional tools, LANDR Studio fills in some of those biggest gaps surprisingly well. If you'd like to learn more about LANDR Studio, check out my unique link that I've put in the description below. You can also grab yourself a cheeky wee discount while you're there. Take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.